What is so unique about copy and data deduplication? We do global object-based data deduplication. So take an example. If you are a company of 10,000 people and conservatively each person has 100 documents, there are about a million documents in your corporation. One thing which is very common across all those unrelated documents is company logo. Okay. Now with any other technology, that company logo, if you take a fixed length block data deduplication technology, is going to be chopped at different boundaries. You will not be able to figure out where this company logo is lying in the file. Okay. With our object-based data deduplication technology, which is format aware, we will detect this company logo irrespective where the company logo is within that file across millions of unrelated files once, and transmit it only once and back it up only once. That is the power of object-based data deduplication. So that is one key differentiator. The second key differentiator what we have is the native end user interface. And what I mean by native end user interface is that there is no training required for our end users. All our access to our agent is built into the native operating system. So for example, if you want to recover your lost file, right now the way you do is you go to start and then you search, you do a full text search, you enter some keywords there, and it shows up in your results that okay, these are the files which contain this full text, as well as there are some files which are in your backup repository, okay, on your backup server, and if you want to recover those files, you just right click and say recover. Similarly, we provide a virtual folder, which is my backup. Using an Explorer interface, you can back up in your virtual folder, okay, as a file system. Another thing which we do is our agent is non-intrusive, and I mean by non-intrusive is that if end user is using the PC, our agent will not bother the end user, will totally stop. So if the end user is not using the PCs like for 30 seconds or a minute, the agent will kick in. And even though our agent has kicked in, if you start using the PC, automatically the agent will shut down. Okay, so that is another unique feature which we have. Then we have restartability. Okay, so if suppose you are in the middle of a backup. Suppose you are backing up 1 gigabyte PST files, and you are 90% through. You have already backed up 900 MB of that file, and all of a sudden end user presses the shutdown button, kills the agent, okay, because he has to go home. Okay, that does not mean when we start again, okay, that we will start again backing up the 900 MB file. Okay, we know exactly where was the last backup. Okay, so it is restartable for even within the file. That was from the end user perspective. From an IT perspective, we said that the solution is no good if it does not meet the need of both end user and the IT. So we build our solution so that single IT administrator can manage up to 20,000 PCs.